Hi, welcome to Gcoin Tech World. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a professional digital marketing agency website that has very sleek design features with cool animations and vector designs, as you can see, and good background with very professional footer. It's going to have 4 pages. We're going to have the about page, just like this, with the vectors, the animation, sliding animation. I'm going to show you how to achieve all of these. The meet our expert team section, creativity, all of these. Then we have the project page as well, just like this. Yeah, and then we also have the contact page. So I'm going to show you how to do all of these in just less than an hour, building it from scratch with WordPress. So you don't need any coding skill to be able to achieve this. You don't even need any prior knowledge of designing to be able to achieve this. So if you are ready to learn how to do this, just stay with me as we dive right into building it right now. So if this is your first time of seeing my channel, kindly do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel as well, and also turn on the notification bell button as I release videos regarding web design, make money online, and different other stuff about online marketing and so on. So that is how we do. So let's get started right now. So guys, welcome to my WordPress dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and I just installed this WordPress on my website through Namecheap. So if you want to get your hosting and domain on Namecheap, as you can see I'm using Namecheap. You can check the link in the description of this video to get your hosting and domain. So with that being said, the first thing I normally do after installing WordPress is to scroll down, and I normally go to my plugins. Let's open it in a new tab like this. So first of all, I'm gonna delete all of the plugins that came with my installation, because I don't want them interfering with each other when I start building my own website and when I start installing my own plugins. So I'm just gonna deactivate all of these. Then I'm gonna select it all again. Then you're excluding loginizer. So then I'm gonna delete them. So once I'm done with that, let me load. Yeah, we've deleted them. So once I'm done with that, then I will go on ahead to install the theme I need to use for this project. And mind you, the theme we're going to be using for this project is not a free theme, though they have their free version, but it's a premium theme. So I'll also be leaving the link in the description of this video below if you're gonna get access to it from Code Kenyan. So I already have access to it, so I'm just gonna come here and click on upload theme, choose file. So I'm gonna click on install now. So if you have been following my videos for some while now, you discover that I'm a fan and a lover of the Phlox Pro Theme. Yeah, it's a very good theme, and you're gonna see the reason very soon. So that's why Phlox Pro Theme is one of the themes that you can't do without as a WordPress web designer. So make sure you get access to it. You can use the link in the description of this video below to get access to it, or you can just search it online. So now it has done installing, so I'm just going to activate it. So after activation, I'm going to come here to install all of the So right now, the core plugins are successfully installed. So after the installation, you just have to scroll down to where we have the demo importer right here. So under demo importer, you can have, as you can see, we have a lot of premium templates that you can use for your project, such that you don't have to design anything from scratch. Just like this, you can install this now and start editing. So if you see any template that interests you, you can just simply come here and click on the preview, just like this, and you will check it out if it is something you want to go for. And if it is, all you have to do is just click on the import button. It will start importing the template for you. So you can browse through the templates through the categories. We have business, we have shop. That shop is for e-commerce template. You can check through and see the type of templates they have for their e-commerce. Let me see this. As you can see, this is an e-commerce template. So you can browse through the categories that we have. We have services, we have creative, we have blog and magazine, we have beauty and health, and then we have food. For like restaurants, stuff like that, you can check them out. As you can see, they are highly professional designed templates. So because of that, I will not want to be going over the templates one after the other. You can do that once you get to this point. You can check. So, but for me, as you already know, we're actually setting up a website for a digital marketing agency. So I'm just gonna search for agency here. So you can also search for the name of the particular niche you want to design for, and this is the template I want to use. All of the templates here, all of the demo here are all agency based demo. As you can see, they are for one agency or the other. So this is mainly for digital marketing agencies. As you can see, they do team accounting, marketing, PI, marketing strategy, so and lots more. So I'm just going to come back here. So if I want to go for that template so I can start working with it, I'll just come here and click on import, then I'll click on continue, then install plugins. So then it will start installing and activating all the needed plugins for this template to work. So right here, I'm just gonna click on import content to import all of the content of the website. So right now, guys, it has successfully installed the content. So now we can preview our website. So now let me click on preview and see what we have now. So right now, as you can see, our website has been successfully imported and everything looks perfect and fine. Just as you can see right here. So right now that we have successfully imported our templates, now it also comes with other pages, like everything that you need has been imported, every pages of the website, such that you don't need to actually bother about the design. So all you have to do is just start editing it, put your own content, your logo, and other information that you want to add to the website. So it also comes with blog templates, so if you're gonna use that, you can just use it. So our project, as you can see, this is our project page. So you can also edit the project, and then we have the contact page right here. So it comes with a contact form that your client can easily fill up and then submit. Then you have the newsletter and then the footer. So now to start working on this website is very simple. Let's go back to our home page. So what I like about this is that Phlox Pro is 100% compatible with Elementor. So as you can see, we already have it. It's one of the plugins that we're actually installing. So if you want to edit this page right now, all you have to do is just come into where we have edit with Elementor, and you can edit it. So if you also come back, let me close this. Let's go to pages. As you can see in our pages, we also have all of our pages that was imported are right here. So you can from here edit any page as well. So all you have to do is just click on edit with Elementor, then it's gonna take you to the editing area of that particular page. Let's check our home page. So this is our home page. This is what we call the structure for the layout. Then as you already know, as a user of WordPress, Elementor is one of the most easiest to learn page builder, and then the most flexible, and at least the best. So if you are unfamiliar with Elementor, I also have another video dedicated for just Elementor, and I will also link that. I will link it in the description below. You can check it out if you want to learn more about Elementor, but it's actually very simple. So with it, you can easily edit everything that we have here, like this image right now. If you click on it, it displays here. So I can just come here and select another image. If I do not want to use it, probably this. Let me see. And as you can see, it has changed. And if you click on this, you can also upload image if the image you want to use is still on your laptop. So just select file, then go to wherever the image might be. So and then you can just select the image from your laptop. So then it's gonna be uploaded. So I can double click it, then select, and as you can see, it has been, though it is very big, but you can always adjust from here as well. So that's just it. So but because I don't want to, I just want to show you how to do that, so I'm gonna Ctrl Z it back to the original picture that was there. I prefer that. So it's the same way you can also adjust all of the text written on the website. So it's very easy to edit. So I already have some text here that I want to use, so I'm just going to use that as an example for you. So let me use something like this. I'm going to copy that, then click on this. So for the title, I'm going to change it to this. Then for the ads agency, you can just change it to, or probably I can just, let me just write the name of the website here. Then for the secondary heading, you're gonna change it to stuff like that. So once you make any edit on the website, you can easily come here and click on publish to save the edit you just made. So and once you have saved it, you can preview your work by either collapsing this area so that it can give you the full view, or you can come here to where we have preview changes. So once you click on preview change, it's going to open another tab for you like this for you to see what you are actually doing, and this is it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reduce this marketing just because it seems too big. So I'm just going to click on it. Then I'm going to come to style. So it's actually a secondary heading. So I'm going to come to style. So then I'm going to go to secondary heading. So I'm going to click on typography. Then I'm going to reduce it. So let me publish it and let's see. So I think it is fair enough. So right now I'm just going to come here and copy some info. So I'm going to go to description right here to paste in. So so that's how to make your edits. So you can also come here to button to change the word as well, put in whatever you want to use. So let me see. Yeah, it's okay. So now let's get the idea. So that's essentially how to do the edit. So with that you can edit any part of the website, anywhere in the website. So that is how to actually make use of Elementor. You can change any image you do not want and put in your own images. And so let me also edit this aspect as well. Just click on this, paste this. I'll copy this as well. I'm gonna paste it there. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Very straightforward. So with this you can work on any aspect of the website. And another thing I want to show you is probably want to add a new section. It's very simple. So probably there's a particular information that you want to add. So you can just simply come to anywhere in the website and then look for this plus icon. So you can get the plus icon on any section. Just click on it. So whenever you find the plus icon, it means you can add elements or section anything. So now let's use this place. I'm going to click it. So as you can see, we have it here. So once you click the plus icon, it's going to bring this. So now from here you can click here to add any section of your choice. Probably use a single section, 2 section, 3 section, or columns. Columns. You can add 1 column, 2 column sections, 3 column sections. So now let's assume we add 2 column sections. So we have 1 a column here and another column here. Then you can put in your elements, so probably an header. So that's why I say you want to learn more about what I'm doing right now on Elementor. Just check the description of this video below. You see a link to my complete video on how to use Elementor. So this video is just mainly on how to set up your website as quick as possible, how to set up your digital marketing agency website as quick as possible. And the next thing we want us to look over is how to actually work on the header and footer as well, because you can't actually do that from here. As you can see, it cannot be edited from here. So you want to edit any aspect of the website apart from the home, so you have to go there. So for example, like I told you, if you want to edit any other parts, for example you want to edit about us, you can just simply go to about us here, then you click on edit with Elementor. Then it's gonna bring out the editing area of the about us. We already have it here. So if you want to edit your header and footer as well, so you want to edit your header and footer as well, it's very simple. All you have to do is just go to your website. So once you're on your website like this, so what we want to do is come to where it says edit header and footer. So just come here to where it says site header. So you just click on it. It's going to take you to your dashboard where you can actually edit it. So you're going to come here, then click on edit with Elementor. Yeah, so from here you can easily edit your header, and from header, that's where we'll actually edit our logo and menus and stuff like that. But mostly what we do from header is the logo, because you want to work on your menu, you just have to go to your dashboard appearance, then go to your menus here. So I'm on widgets, go to menus. So from here you can easily work on your menus. So for now I want to work on my header, my logo. So this is the logo we are using. So from here we click on this logo. This is a logo element, and that is what Phlox Pro normally use. But I don't like it, because if you want to change this logo now, we have to actually go into the customizer to go and change that. So but I prefer to just use the image element for my logo. So what I mean is that I'm just going to come to this add element. I'll click on it. Then I'm going to search for image, to this image. Then I can drag it here. It's going to be big normally. So now let me choose the logo I want to use. It's on my media library right here. So this is the logo I want to use. So I'm just going to click on select. So as you see, as big as it is, there's no problem. So I want it to be in the same size as the original logo that we found, and for it to have the same style. So it's simple. So all you have to do is just come to the default logo, then right click and click on copy. So you now come to the one we are working on, which is the image that we're using for our logo. Go to the pencil icon here and right click and then choose paste style. So once you choose paste style, it's okay. So then you can delete this default one. So the reason why we did that was because we needed to maintain every style that the logo actually came with. So this image should also have it. So the next thing I want to do is to reduce the logo so that it can look fitting and well. So I just come here and click on the pencil icon, and go to style. Then I can adjust the width. So then I want it to be aligned to the left. So I just drop it like that. So then we have this. So another thing I want to do to it is I would prefer if it has some margin bottom so that it can push the menus below a bit. So something like this. So I think it's okay, but let me push it below a little bit more, like this. So I believe this is okay. So then you can click on publish. So and one more thing that we can do is you should come to your website, you can just copy the link of your website, your URL, website URL. So just go to your image, so then go to content, then click on the link, so that once they click on your logo, they'll be able to be redirected back to your home page. So change it from none to custom URL, then you can paste this here so that you can publish, and wherever your visitors are on your website, even if they are on project, contact, they can easily click on this place and take them back to your home page. So now let's save our work. So I think basically, guys, we have actually worked on the wrong header. So I just discovered now, and that is why when I try to reload, it's not bringing what we have just done. So pardon for that. So let's go to edit header footer again. So instead of this, I think this should be hit the site header inner page current. Yeah, that is it. So you can always check it like that. So let's click on edit with Elementor. Yeah, so this is the header we're supposed to work on. So we're just gonna basically do the same thing we actually did in the other header. So just drop this here, select the logo, so let's reduce the size, just align it to the left like this. Then I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna paste style just like that. So now let's delete this. So now let me reduce this logo. Alright, so let me align this to the right. So basically you just have to drag it this way. Then let me increase the width of the logo. So now let's see. So it's finally okay. So I think let me drag it a bit so that it can, yeah. So this is it. So now let me reduce the logo a bit. So 45. So now let's just see how it looks like now. So now let me reload. It should show now. Yeah, so this is how it looks like now. So now let me just add the link as well. Content, link, custom URL. Let's go down, paste it there. So that's basically how to work on the logo. So you can check, it's gonna be there. So you can click on this. So right now I'm gonna go to the footer. So now to work on the footer, it's as well as simple. So just go to your edit header and footer. So now we're gonna, I don't know, okay, it should be this. So we're gonna check it one after the other. So it isn't this, so let me close this. So it should be this. So now let me click on edit with Elementor. Yeah, exactly. So from here we can easily just work on our footer. So now let me change this. I can delete this. I don't need it. I'm gonna search for an image, drop it here, select my logo, and I can adjust it. $50 should be okay. So let me give it a left alignment. Let's see. That's better this way. So I can publish it. Yeah, I think I have a content for this place. So let me check. Yeah, so I'm just gonna copy this content. I'm gonna come here and then go to description. I'm gonna paste in the content here. So then you can easily edit all the information you have on the footer as well. As you can see, when I click on this, it brings me to this drop down where I can change all of the informations that have been written here. So and then put the link to them right here. So that once they click on it, it's gonna take them to whichever page I want it to take them to. So then you can also work on the contacts here as well. So let me copy this. So I'm gonna come here and then paste it here. So info, then can work on this place as well, change whichever information that is here. So I think it's under description, and this is it right here. So you can change the days, remove any day, and you can click on publish, and that is essentially how to work on the footer. You can work on the icons as well. These are the social media icons. You can change the, if you don't want to use Facebook, you can look for any other social media and put in there. So it's as simple as that. So now let me change this copyright. So now the site name. So this is a dynamic site name. So it means the my blog that you see that is written here, as you can see, is not here. This is where you can change, but so it means you are not going to be changing it from here. So we have to essentially change the name of the website from my blog to Spark Marvins that we are using, and that's why you see my blog here. So now let's go back to our dashboard, go to settings, general, and leave. So I can delete this. Then I'm going to change my blog to Spark Marvins Data Marketing Agency, or probably I will just copy this because I don't want the site name to be too long. Then I can just Spark Marvins. So you can also change the site icon from here as well. So what is the site icon? The site icon is this. As you can see, Namecheap, it has hand, WhatsApp, it has this icon. So you can also do that. So choose site icon. I'm going to choose my logo, set as site icon. So I just want to use this particular. So now I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna edit this image, or probably let me upload it. So I'm gonna go to upload select file. So the reason why I'm doing this is I want to upload a new one, then work on that new one. So I'm going to click on this, the new one, click on edit image. So I want to remove every other details, crop just the icon, then apply crop. So it's gonna save it for me, save edit. So this is the only thing I want to use for my site icon. So though we might not see it right now because we need to reload this. So now let me just first of all save this, and if I should come back to our footer, as you can see we now have Spark Marvins, and my blog has also turned to Spark Marvins. So now let's just work on the site icon. Again, choose site icon. So I'm going to use this, set our site icon. So I think the image is too big or somehow. So let me set it here. So I guess the next one I'm going to do is not going to be that much big, so but let me crop image. Then save changes. So if you should come to your website now, let's reload and see, because it doesn't usually reflect immediately, but it will eventually reflect right here. So okay, let me save the changes. So that is essentially how to easily design a digital marketing agency website as soon as possible, and bring it and set it up as soon as possible without any coding skills. So if you have actually learned anything whatsoever from today's video, from everything I've shown you in today's video, please don't hesitate to like this video, subscribe to this channel, also turn on your notification bell button to be notified each time I drop helpful videos like this. So, and you can also check more, and you can also check out my channel and check out more videos that can be helpful to you. So I thank you. So that should be all for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.